Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chalkboard paint. Yes, you heard it right. It's a chalkboard paint that you can make it in your house. You can make this color and you can paint it on glass, on wood, on tiles, on any part of your house to make your organizer. So for this, we're going to need some acrylic paint. I have used a black acrylic paint here, water. This is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is very easily available in any of your local hardware stores. I need a brush and a MDF plate. I have used this MDF plate just to show you how the effect comes. So let's start. For this we'll need 10 ml of your color. Then we need about 1 teaspoon of water and 2 tablespoons of plaster of Paris. Now we will mix everything. If you think you need little more water, depending upon the weather conditions, if it's too cold, if it's too humid, so accordingly you might need to add just a little more water. The paste should not be too runny. Now we take some paint. We are going to paint on the wood.